The right paddle racket can completely change your game. More control, better spin, and stronger shots all come from the right choice. I tested the top options to find what actually works.
Number 1. WLSRW Paddle Racket. This is the best overall choice on the list because it offers a great balance of power, control, and comfort. The carbon fiber surface makes every shot feel clean and responsive, especially during powerful hits. I also like how comfortable it feels during long matches. The EVA foam core helps reduce vibration, which keeps your hand from getting tired. This makes a big difference if you play often or for extended periods. The racket feels lightweight but still very stable. It's easy to handle during fast rallies, which gives you better control and confidence on the court. Carbon fiber surface improves power and response. EVA foam core adds comfort and reduces vibration. Lightweight frame supports fast and smooth movement. Overall, this racket delivers a complete performance package and is a great choice for both intermediate and advanced players. Number 2. Lost Hook Ping Pong Paddle Set. This set is simple, fun, and easy to use. While it's designed for table tennis, it works perfectly for casual indoor games and practice sessions. It's a great option if you just want to enjoy quick matches with friends or family. The paddle provides a nice bounce and feels comfortable in hand. The sponge layer helps improve control, making it easier to keep rallies going. The included carry case is also useful for storage and portability. Complete paddle set includes paddles and balls. High-density sponge improves bounce and control. Portable case makes it easy to carry and store. It's not meant for advanced or competitive players, but for casual fun and home use, it's a reliable and affordable choice. Number 3. JoJo Lemon Carbon Fiber Paddle. This paddle gives a premium feel right from the start. The combination of carbon fiber and Kevlar creates a strong and responsive surface. I noticed a clear improvement in spin and control, especially during soft shots like dinks and drop shots. It's built for players who value precision. The balanced weight helps keep your shots steady even during quick rallies. This makes it easier to stay in control under pressure. Hybrid surface design enhances spin and durability. Polymer core improves control and shot feel. Balanced weight keeps performance stable. The price is higher compared to basic paddles, but if you're serious about improving your game, this one delivers excellent control and consistency. Number 4. Olani Pickleball Paddle Set. If you're just starting out or want a complete setup, this makes everything simple. You get multiple paddles, balls, replacement grips, and a carry bag all in one package. That means you can start playing right away without buying extra items. The paddles are lightweight, which makes them easy to swing and control. I found this especially helpful during longer games as it reduces strain on your wrist and arm. The grip also feels soft and comfortable, making extended play sessions more enjoyable. Complete starter set includes everything you need. Lightweight design allows smooth and easy swings. Comfort grip reduces fatigue during play. It's not meant for high-level competitive matches, but for casual fun and home use, it's an excellent value and convenience. Number 5. Tenvina Pickleball Paddle. This paddle feels solid and well-built the moment you hold it. It is clearly designed for players who want more control without losing power. I noticed the textured carbon surface grips the ball really well, which makes spin shots feel more natural and easier to execute. That becomes very helpful during longer rallies when control matters more than just hitting hard. Another thing I liked is how forgiving the paddle feels. The sweet spot is larger than expected, so even when you miss the center, the shot still stays stable. That gives you more confidence, especially during fast exchanges. Carbon fiber surface improves spin and precision. Thermoformed build increases strength and durability. Large sweet spot helps reduce errors on off-center hits. It may feel slightly advanced for beginners at first, but once you adjust, the performance feels smooth, controlled, and very rewarding. Final verdict. If you want the best overall performance, the WLSRW paddle racket is the top choice. It delivers a strong balance of power, control, and comfort, making it ideal for players who want consistent results and better performance on the court. In the end, the right choice depends on your skill level and playing style. Check the links in the description below to see the latest prices and choose the one that fits your game best.